Today we're making fairy brooms. You'll need twigs and sticks, 1 to 2 inches in length, dried grass, straw, hay, anything to make the ends of the broom, twine, wire twisties, pipe cleaners. This is florist tape, also works well, whatever you can use to secure it, and glue. Bottled glue will take longer to dry than glue gun glue. Take your stick and you will put some glue around here. Secure the grass in place. And then you're going to take handfuls of your hay or straw or grass. Use a lot. You're going to trim it down later. You just want to make it a nice thick broom. It's going to look a little messy to start. For this one, we can use some twine. Nice tight knot. Wrap it around a few times. The more you wrap it around, the more secure the grass will be. Nice final knot. Into the broom. Trim it. Nice and neat. Fairies are tidy creatures by nature, so not only do they have nice brooms, but their brooms are nice and neat. Trim your base of your broom. Trim your strings down. And you have a fairy broom. I like to decorate mine. So we will put a little adornment on here. Purple flower. And there's your fairy broom. All different varieties.